Hello everyone, welcome back to Chandu Digital Class. Today's video we are looking at reading B, My Mother from the first unit in 8th class. This unit tells about family. My Mother poem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Now let's move on about the author. Rabindranath Tagore was born on 17 May 1861 in Kolkata and passed away on 7 August 1941. He was a Bengali poet, writer, song composer, painter, short story writer, and philosopher. He was known as Vishwakavi and Gurudev. He was the founder of Shantiniketan. It was an experimental school. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1914 in literature for his Gitanjali, the Song of Offerings. Each of his poems reflects Indian vision and love towards his motherland. He is considered the voice of Indian heritage and spiritualism. Now let's move on the first stanza. I cannot remember my mother, only sometimes in the midst of my play. A tune seems to hover over my playing things. The tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. The poet Rabindranath Tagore feels the presence of his mother as if she was still staying with him, showing her gratitude, love, and care. In this stanza, I cannot remember my mother. What do you understand from the statement? Tagore's mother died when he was young. Here, he expresses his inability to actually recall the face of his mother. He could only imagine her presence in a tune, the fragrance, etc. The poet says that he feels the presence of his mother when he is playing and listening to a tune hovering. Here, hovering means remaining the air over his playthings. He remembers the humming of his mother while she was rocking the cradle. Now let's move on the second stanza. I cannot remember my mother, but when in the early autumn morning the smell of the chili flowers floats in the air, the scent of the morning service in the temple comes to me as the scent of my mother. In the second stanza, the poet also says that in the early autumn morning, as the smell of chili flowers floats in the air, he remembers his mother's presence in the scent of the morning service in the temple. Here, chili means small white or orange flower that bloom in autumn season. So we can see the flowers on the screen. And scent means here perfume. Now let's move on the third stanza. I cannot remember my mother, only when from my bedroom window I send my eyes into the blue of the distant sky. I feel that the stillness of my mother's gaze on my face has spread all over the sky. Here, in this stanza, the poet feels the presence of his mother while peeping through the window into the distant sky. He feels his mother's gaze on his face has spread all over the sky. He expresses his mother's existence through beautiful imageries which he experienced in his childhood days. This is the poem of My Mother, which was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Thank you.